Welcome, in front of me is a MEIZU 16th, and today I'll show you how to copy contacts from your SIM card to the device. So to get started, we will want to open up the looks like contacts app, and from here go into the contacts. Let's tap on the three dots and go into settings. From here, scroll down, manage contacts, import from SIM card, and from here you can see all the contacts selected that are on your SIM card. Now for me it's not very many, it's only 4, but as you can see all of them will be selected. So what you want to do is deselect, for instance, ones that you don't want, and from there simply tap on export to phone and you're done. As you can see now we have a couple contacts without any kind of icon of a SIM card next to it. As you can see there is same contact, one without the icon, so those are the contacts that are on the phone and the rest is on the SIM card. And that is how you would import contacts. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.